Hello netball fans, set your watches to BMT, that's basketball meantime, this game is just about to begin. And the dad throws up the ball, thanks Dad, we're underway. Spurs have got it, they'll be delighted with that. Now he throws it to his friend, everything's going swimmingly. The left winger legs it into the penalty box. Shoots, no passes. Number 9, the striker. Have a shot, son. He passes it too. Blimey, they're a bit goal shy, these lads. Post and out. And they've got it again. Shrugs off challenges like a nonchalant Frenchman. Goes it in. 2-0. He got 2 for that one. Wow. Oh, look at him. He's tiny. He's like a little basketball baby. Nice of them to let him play. That's good for them. Now, Hoots have it. Number 34, he must be rubbish. There's only 5 players on a team. Semi-circle rumbler, changes his mind, chucks it away, Chancery Lane! Wowzers in me trousers, a 30-yard screamer, then runs away like a man who's let one go in a phone box. Back with Tottenham, bounds up the pitch like the big friendly giant. Hoopy Snoop, Snoopy Hoop! Blow a pleasant dream through my window, it's 18-21. Here's the half-time stats. San Antonio have eaten between 2 and 7 figs. Miami, 5 to 14, that's a big range of figs. Second half now, and here's a replay of Aaron Lennon. He did a spinny, he didn't get too dizzy, lovely strike. Now up the other end, Judith Chalmers has the ball, steaming giant kettle, but cleaned up by Spurs like a teenager after a heavy internet session. Peter Crouch, finger billiards, Jeremy Vine, Arthur Scargill, Archbishop of Basketball, goal! He hung on that net like a stalk up a tree, dangerous and arrogant. I did not enjoy that, and it was clearly offside, but they've given it to him regardless. Foul! Martin Skirtle has been brought down in the box. Hang on, the janitors have come on. They think it's all over. Cleaners, return to your positions. This game is not yet done. Honestly, I don't know what time they've got the sports hall booked until, but I imagine the lads with the mops will be paid overtime, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about them exceeding their allotted slot. It's all over! It's all over. Hoots have won it. Alf from Home and Away exchanges a hug with Bruno Mars, I believe it is, whilst Rafa Benitez looks on. 95-88 it finished, which strikes me as excessive. Back to you.